Hey guys, we're at Elephant Butte RV Resort for their annual Christmas dinner. And I just wanted to show you the grub. So many different things to choose from.
You want any of this?
We brought stuffing. We got salads. I'm not really sure what that is. Deviled eggs. Oh my goodness. Look at the line to go in. This time we brought containers. They also have a dessert room. Let me see if I can get through to that. Gold silverware.
Thank you for letting me know.
Sorry, excuse me. This is a dessert. Can you just die? New York Slice Prayer Bars. Canadian Namiano Bars. I just probably made myself sound stupid. So Merry Christmas, y'all. Be safe.
Straight to the good stuff.
Yeah. Peace out. Be kind to one another.